So this is my peas and I'm taking them down. So I let a lot of them go to seed, and I'm going to take the ones that I'm going to use as seeds. I'm going to take them and put them in one part, and then the other ones that is good for eating, I'm going to, of course, we're going to eat these. Let me tell you something. My son have been tearing these things up, y'all. Tearing them up, right? But he loved these peas, y'all. He absolutely loved them. But I'm going to take them down. Then what I'm going to do with these plants, now I'm leaving the roots in the soil, but the plants, I'm going to put them in a separate container, and I'm going to make some super juice for my trees with these peas. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do with these peas. I'm going to make super juice for the trees. All the fruit trees, they all going to get a little bit. Yeah, baby. I'm going to make sure they all get a little bit. But it's just going to be some sweet pea super juice just for the trees. Now, if you can see that these peas are nice and dry, and I'm gonna use this for planting. Wait, let me see if you can see that. Here we go. So you see? Awesome, huh? Yeah. So these will be for my next planting of sweet peas. No need to buy none, y'all. We did it ourselves. We did it ourselves. But I hope all is well with you all. It is so windy out here. Yeah, it's just so windy. But, you know, whatever God does, He does. He does that. And I'm good with it. I'm going to take this down until I get ready to put my next crop up, and we're going to reuse that. It's big, baby. That's big. All right, so here's my little seed of the day, and I'm gonna drop some beans that I have never dropped before. So, you know, I gotta drop some other stuff with it too, so I will. So, let's see. What is that? That's a bush. Okay, good. All right, baby. All right, so I'm gonna do the lima beans, and I'm gonna do these garden beans. Now these are bush. The lima beans are bush. So I do have some pole beans that I'm gonna do against these poles, and it will be some purple beans, right? So I'm just gonna drop some of these. That's the way they look. They look like little pinto beans, right? The lizards are all awake, baby. They are woke. So I'm gonna do 3, well, maybe 4. Let's do 4 within a spacing of the poles. Yeah, let's do 4. 4 here. Wait, maybe. Okay. And we're gonna do. Oh, is that all? Yeah, that was all of them, baby. All right, the lima beans. They are also bush. And these are lima beans. So we are going to do them. And these are those Dollar Tree premiums, which is 2 for a $1.25. You don't get many beans in here, I tell you. I tell you that. You got 8 beans. That's it. That's it. 8 beans in there. That's okay. And now I'm just gonna drop some onions around in this bed. Cause gotta have onions in here. And these are the premiums also. And nothing spectacular about that. And then in the middle, I'm gonna drop some basil. I can find my basil. Wait a minute now. I know I had it. Oh, here it is. So these are the spicy globe basils. I really love these here. So this is it. I bought this from either Home Depot or Lowe's. One of the two. Yeah. Oh wow. They have number 2 seeds. Okay. I got another pack somewhere. And I want to drop, of course, we gotta have flour. We gotta have flour in here somewhere. But I'm also gonna drop some carrots. So let's drop a few carrots in here. I'm gonna just put them on the end. That's all. Just drop them on the end. Just a little carrot. Just a little carrot. Nothing big. Nothing big. Nothing major. Nothing major. Yeah. All right. Oh, here we go. Basil. So this is some kind of African num. All right. My first time growing this basil, but we gonna drop her, baby. We gonna drop her like she's hot. Yeah. So I'm gonna just put her in one space, like right there. Yeah. There we go. All right. That is it. Now I think I'm gonna go get some soil and put on it instead of wiping over it. Give me a minute, y'all. All right. So there we go. Putting some soil. Since I have lots and lots of seeds, will you look at that snail right there? Let me get him. I will get him. Baby, enjoy your life. This is it for you. It for you. All right. So let's get our snail. Those are my beans. They are all planted and they're all watered. Everything is dropped and yeah, that's how I got that soil all mixed up there. But anyway, it's all done. Let's move on, baby. let's move on. So this is where I dropped lemongrass seeds. Now, I have never planted my lemongrass from seed before, but I saved some of my own seeds from my lemongrass. But this lemongrass seed, I purchased it. So I didn't know how it would look growing from seed. So, and many of you already know that no, Miss Linda don't be labeling anything. But God have given me something that never fails. It never fails. So for the lemongrass, of course, the sight of it, it could look like lemongrass. But most importantly, baby, it's all about the smell of it. And baby, that's lemongrass. That's lemongrass. So no, I didn't need a label for it, baby. I don't need no label. Yeah. It is lemongrass. So she's growing. She's growing. Wow, look at this. These are mulberries, and this little tree is filled. This is a gift from the birds, baby. This is a gift from the birds. This is sitting in the corner of my garden. And the tree is full of berries. The mulberry. There's my sugar canes right here, and there they are. So this is an update on my sweet corn. Yeah, this is the sweet corn, and this corn is in the main part of the garden, right, in my Katrina bricks. And as you can see, they are all doing well. I have flowers in some bricks. Now, I do have okra in this one, this one, and the only okra plant I see is one. So, y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drop more okra seeds, but that's okay. We gonna get it together, baby. But the sweet corn is doing well. Yes. And this is the dent corn. This corn I'm growing for cornmeal. Yeah, I'm going to make cornmeal with this dent corn. And this is my first time ever growing dent corn. But family, I'm excited. I'm excited about it. Yeah, let's move on. So this is an update on my plantains. These are my plantains, and as you can see, they are doing well. They're getting tall and healthy, and they doing their thing, baby. They doing their thing. They just getting nice and tall and beautiful. But I'm just looking forward to them just spreading out. So this is some cuttings I took from my Black Mission fig. And this is what I mean about watering until you see the water pouring out from the hose in the bottom. Yeah, and that's the way you want to water containers. You want to make sure that you see that water coming out them holes in the bottom. Or just go ahead on and count to a good 50. A good 50 would do them, right? But they are looking well today. This is garlic. Garlic has antibiotic properties that improve your athletic performances. It helps detox your body. Garlic can also help with prevention of many cancers. Garlic improves the bone health. Family, I tell you that garlic loves the human body. Here in Louisiana, I don't know a meal that is prepared without garlic. There are so many beneficial properties in garlic.